yeah, I want to let everybody know that I had a phenomenal experience here in Turkey, man. I flew over from Miami. These guys at Hair of Istanbul took awesome care of me, man. As you can see, I'm only one day into my treatment and I feel great. Everything went smooth. These guys actually took the time out of their day to take me around town. Now we're at the bazaar, doing some shopping they took us around to do. The facility is phenomenal. Great customer service. The country itself, phenomenal people here. I would like for you, if you're thinking about getting your hair done, I suggest you come out here to Turkey with the guys at Hair of Istanbul. They are phenomenal.